morning students, myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Today we will start Exceed book subject math student workbook. We will do S2 of block 2 page number 8. So students, today's date is 13th of July 2020 and day is Monday, MONDAY, and this is our CW work. Okay students, so do with me everyone. Okay, do with me everyone. S2 is arranging numbers in order. Arranging numbers in order. Okay students, so first question is arrange the numbers in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay, write the numbers in the correct order inside the apple. We have some apples here. Okay, so we will write our number in apples. Okay, we are going to start ascending order. What is the mean ascending order? Ascending order means always we will start from smallest number and largest and so on. Okay students, so first of all in first apple we will write smallest number. We will write smallest number. Okay, we have 4 numbers here. Okay, all numbers are 3-digit numbers. All numbers are 3-digit numbers. Okay, now we always compare from the largest place. From largest place, and largest place in 3 digits we have 100. We have 100 largest place. Okay students, can we do? Okay, let's start. We have 8 ones place. Okay, in another number we have 8 hundreds place. In another number we have 8 hundreds place, and in last number also we have 8 hundreds place. Okay students, so all numbers are same. We have all numbers 8. All are same. So we will compare to next number. Next place. We have next place tens, and in first number we have 2 8 tens place. In second number we have 3. In third number also we have 2, and in fourth number we have 5. So students, 2 is smaller number. 2 is smaller number because 3 is greater than 2. So we don't compare this number. Okay, now we will compare both numbers. This one and this one. Okay, now we have 8 ones place 9, and we have here 3. So students, we can identify easily what 9 is greater or 3. Yes, 9 is greater, and we are going to write ascending order. Okay, that means we will write smallest number and 3 is smaller number. So smallest number is 823. Students, do with me. Okay, 823, and next number is 829. What number this is? 829. And now we will compare to both numbers. Okay, we have 3 8 tens place, and in another number we have 5 8 tens place. Okay, which one is smaller, 3 or 5? Yes, right students, 3 is smaller number. So next number will come 836. Students, do with me. Number is 836, and the last number is 850. So This apple is smaller apple and this apple is largest apple. So this is ascending order, smallest to largest number. Okay students, done with me? Okay, let's complete question number 1. Okay students? Okay, now yes students, next question is to arrange and write the numbers in the table. Arrange and write the numbers in the table. Okay, we have a table. We have to arrange all numbers. Okay, A of 2, question A of 2 in ascending order. In ascending order. I told you before also what is the mean of ascending. Yes students, tell me what is the mean of ascending. Yes students, right. We will start from smallest number. We will start from smallest number. Now we have to find in from the all numbers which one is smallest number. Okay. Now start. Okay. Do with me. First of all, we will start from the largest place. Okay, and largest place in 4-digit number we have 1000. Okay, now compare from the thousands place. First number we have 4 at thousands place. In another number we have 7. 7 is greater number, so we will compare it after. Okay, now we have 4 8,000s place. Okay, and the last we have 7 8,000s place. So we will compare only both numbers. Only both numbers. Okay, now compare hundreds place. Come on the next place, hundreds place. We have 7 800s place. We have 7 800s place. And in another number we have 1 800s place. We have 1 800s place. Now we can compare easily. Yes, tell me which one is smaller, 7 or 2? Yes students, tell me. Sorry, 7 or 1? Yes, 1 is smaller number. So first number will come 4102. What is the number name? Yes, 4102. Okay students, the next number is 4701. Do with me students. Okay, 4701. Okay, done these questions. Okay, now come on, next we have 2 numbers more here. Okay, first number is 7298 and last number is we have 7041. Again we compare. Now come on hundreds place. Okay, now we have 2 800s place and in another number we have 08 hundreds place. Okay, now which one is smaller number? Yes, 0 is smaller. So next number will come 7041. 7041 and at the last number is 7298. So students, done our ascending order. Okay. Now we have question 2b. Okay, in descending order. Descending order means we always write greatest number first and we have to find from all numbers which one is greatest. Okay students, so let's start. We will start from largest place. Now we have 5 in first number. In second number we have again 5. In third number we have 4 and in fourth number we have 3. Which one is greater number? These two numbers are smaller then we will compare to both numbers. We will compare both numbers. Okay students. Now come on next place. We have hundreds place 6 and in another number we have 9. Yes, we can compare easily. Which one is greater, 9 or 6? Yes students, tell me. Yes, 9 is greater number. 9 is greater number. So we will write 5,900. 5,900. And second number is 5,600. Now we will compare to both numbers. Okay students. We have here 8,000 place 4 and in another number we have 3. We can compare easily. 4 is greater or 3? Yes, right students, 4 is greater number. So the number is 4,923 and next number is 3,870. Okay students. Now come on question number 3. Write the numbers in ascending order. That means smallest to largest. We have some numbers name here. Okay, first of all we will write in numerals. Okay, first number name is 9,900. 9,900. Okay, and next number is 9,999. 9,999 and third number is 9,000. And we have to arrange in ascending order. Okay students, do with me. Now compare from the largest place. We have 9 in all three numbers. We can't compare. So come on next place. We have 9. Again we have 9 and we have 0. So 0 is smaller than. So we will write 9,000 because we are arranging order in ascending order. So we will write smallest number and next is 9,900 and this one is 9,999. 0 is greater or 9 is greater? Yes, 9 is greater. So we will write 9,900. 9,900 and at the last we will write last number 9,999. Okay students, all of you have done? Okay.